Hey guys, Chandler back here with another vlog, and I hope you guys are enjoying those Dishonored videos, and there's 2 more coming out right now. And we're about to start to upload a Black Ops 2 Zombies video, and we're about to go to somebody's house. My cousin's house, and everything for a second. But I hope you guys are enjoying our videos, and try to check out Trey's channel. Like second time I said this on my channel, but I don't think you guys are, because we just started our channels, and Trey's my cousin. And by the way, that kid doing the tricks on the skateboard, that was me. I'm not that good at it, because it had a big plastic thing on the wheel for a long time. My feet hurt. I shouldn't do it. I don't get the grass. This is where we live. Kind of gets boring here. There's Bob over there. You see that? That guy over there with all that mud on him? That's Bob. That's our friend. Not really. I knocked him over once with my face of furiness. Like Chandler said, we don't get comments, so if you guys are commenting, I'm sorry. We're not doing anything about it. Our pool's dirty. It's a good day to swim though. Oh, that's pretty good actually. It's dirty, but it is a good day to swim. It's hot outside. Garden past that huge tree. Don't mind that huge tree. There's our garden. There. Nature. This is not how my real voice sounds. I kind of thought that was weird, because my voice changes on YouTube. Like, it sounds weirder on YouTube, and other than real life. I just called my mom, and I had to explain Portal 2 to her, because I was going to my cousin's house, and me and Chan might play that. But I explained it to my mom. I'm still out of breath from walking around and explaining that to my mom. Yeah. I just got off of the phone from calling her. And I'm probably about to Skype Trey. That's our way of contact when I'm here. And he's at where he made his first video, not the his first video, that Marshmallow Man one, and the one where he said that he's gonna be playing some games and stuff. When they release Sims 4 online, we both go to where he made the Ghostbusters videos, that video, then me and him are gonna play Sims together, Sims 4, because we both have a house, and literally, legit, like, my whole house just, like, deleted. Like, it's like I just got that house. We cheat in that game. We don't want to take all that time to make all that money, so we use a cheat. I'll explain it to you. Once we're there, I'll explain it to you, because then I'll actually know what it is, because I don't even know where to type it in. But the cheat is called Motherload. You will get so much money from it. But I made all of my house. I made a pathway, I made a freaking pool, decorated the pool, put some flowers and stuff on the patio and on the walls of the patio. I made the whole entire house, the outside of it like a wooden brown type thing, and all that. And I bought some rooms, and those rooms are pretty good. And I had a baby, and I forgot what his name is. That is sad, very sad. Well, like and subscribe, please. We need it. Trey's already got 3 subscribers. That is crazy. And probably because of that whole video. That is pretty funny. By the way, that was his mom who recorded that, and Brad, which is our uncle, my uncle and his stepdad, is the one who was he hates cleaning that crap up. One day, we're gonna make him clean up the ferret poop under our bed. It makes it really weird when we try to clean stuff out from under our bed. So, like and subscribe, please. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!